Hello and welcome to the Onalaska Great River Landing Riverfront Trail Project. Located at the base of Onalaska's Main Street, the Great River Landing is a community park and trailhead that encourages people to experience the Mississippi Riverfront. This project seeks to build on the success of Great River Landing by creating a new trail on the banks of the Mississippi River that extends a quarter mile from Irvine Street to the spillway. The site of our new connection is separated from the Great River Landing by a busy BNSF rail line. Currently, access to popular fishing locations along the riverfront is primarily gained from Irvine Street, or in some cases through unsafe railroad track crossings at unapproved locations. This project will mitigate safety concerns by providing a safe route to popular locations along the waterfront. The accessible route to the new trail primarily follows existing walkways down the hillside. The route can be accessed from the Great River Landing building and existing parking lot. A new trail connection is also provided at the top of Irvine Street. Steep existing road has been preserved to provide maintenance and emergency vehicle access as well as a direct pedestrian connection. The new trail system will include renovated facilities near the location of existing storage and restroom buildings at the south portion of the trail site. The architectural style of these buildings is intended to complement the existing Great River Landing trailhead building seen here. This accessible route also connects to the existing Great River Landing Trail, providing a variety of route options for people to enjoy. A new fence located along the BNSF rail line also deters additional unsafe pedestrian crossings. Irvine Street's steep slope creates a potential barrier to trail access and makes it difficult to view the trail from 2nd Avenue. Small plaza areas at the top and bottom of Irvine Street alleviate these concerns by highlighting the new access route and connecting the riverfront to the rest of the Great River Landing. Bollards at the train crossing are there to help control pedestrian traffic and provide a visual cue to pause at the railroad track crossing. Upon crossing the railroad tracks, we arrive at the improved outdoor shelter area. Seen here, the Swerve concept features an open-air shelter with renovated restrooms. Moving down the trail, we arrive at the relocated existing kayak launch. This is the same pier structure that visitors enjoy at the site today, relocated for convenient access from new shelter facilities to the launch site. Moving down the on-grade trail, you can see that we've left a gently sloping lawn between the trail and the river so that you can freely leave the trail and enjoy the waterfront. At the midpoint of the trail, we have a plaza space that provides opportunities for enjoying the river and gathering to view special events. At this point, we switch to an elevated trail condition and begin to climb above the 100-year flood elevation to take in broader views of the riverfront and preserve trail usability for more of the year. The trail ends with scenic views of the river and the waters flowing over the nearby spillway. An additional plaza gathering space with terrace seating in this location provides opportunities to fish, gather, or just watch the sunset. Emergency access to the spillway is also provided in this location. Here is an overview of the concept called the Swerve. This concept contains the terraced gathering space, elevated trail, renovated restrooms, open-air shelter, and an arcing gathering space with terrace seating at the end of the trail. The trail provides opportunities for scenic views of the river, multiple fishing locations, and is accessible for users of all abilities. The elevated walkway that extends from the spillway to the trail midpoint controls access to the trail and discourages railroad track crossings. Its elevated footprint minimizes disturbance to the riverbank. Just as importantly, it creates an elevated vantage point and varied views of the surrounding landscape. The Midpoint Plaza in the Swerve concept features grassy terraces that provide flexible seating for enjoying special events, family outings, or quiet time at the river. This plaza enhances a popular existing location for gathering without disturbing the waterfront. On-grade trail from the midpoint back to the base of Irvine Street allows ample opportunity to enjoy the water up close. The trail has been slightly elevated above existing grades so that it can be used for more of the year. An open-air shelter and renovated restroom facilities enjoy shade from the existing tree canopy and provide additional opportunities to gather and enjoy the waterfront. An alternative concept called The Curve also relocates the kayak launch and features 3 primary gathering spaces at the end of Irvine Street, Trail Midpoint, and Trail Terminus. The Curve Terminal Gathering Space features a pergola along with opportunities for sitting and gathering or fishing. Emergency access to the spillway is also provided in the Curve concept. Just like in our previous concept, the Curve provides an elevated trail experience to control access, preserve the riverbank, and provide better views of the river. The Curve trail alignment gently arcs to closely hug the river shoreline. The Midpoint Plaza in the Curve concept includes 2 tiers of bench seating to provide opportunities for gathering and viewing the river. The plaza bridges an existing stormwater outfall. Its construction provides an opportunity to stabilize the existing eroding channel. The on-grade trail from the midpoint to Irvine Street in the Curve is kept close to existing grades to minimize riverbank disturbance and provide a more gently sloping transition from trail to water. A facility at the base of Irvine Street features an open-air shelter with integrated new restroom facilities and enclosed storage. The kayak launch can be accessed directly from the new shelter facility. Thank you for taking the time to explore our ideas for the new Great River Landing Riverfront Trail. We look forward to hearing what you have to say.